3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1TB SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards.
Brand new generation Zino 2 immersed you to positions out of sight. The upgrade is more than a little on this occasion. Added visual sensor at the bottom, enabled superior environmental awareness, acquires the powerful low-light fixed point capability, lets you fly with precise positioning and hovers more stable, either browsing nature or recording beautiful moments. To see a full expanse of worlds and explore the unknown, Zino 2 uses the latest LEES 2.0 image transmission system. Based on the new architecture design, obtained the ability to adapt to complex environments. Maximum image transmission distance increased to 6 kilometers. Lets you discover the wonderful far off. Zino 2 comes with a stronger power system. Maximum flight velocity increased to 20 meters a second. Lets you enjoy dedicated to discover the new world. Adopted smart battery, created battery management unit, and self-learning mechanism, which maximize the battery lifetime to 33 minutes. Zino 2 benefits from its powerful flight control auto-stabilization system. Flight stability and wind resistance were equally remarkable in windy conditions. Take you on a fun shooting journey. A simple lifestyle is relaxing and comfortable. So is Zino 2. AI vision assists precise landing, automatically searching apron landing, quickly locates an accurate return. What is terrific, Zino 2's newly designed enhanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. Enable record the shot stably and smoothly. The modular design of the gimbal facilitates replacement and quick disassembly. Zino 2 equipped with an upgraded image acquisition system. Records non-destructive 4K 60 FPS video that captures more image detail. Also, support full HD 120 FPS slow motion video, inviting you to feel the time close up. Take photos in the RAW format. Video shooting support SLN RAW mode that reserves more video details to give you a realistic visual feast. Everyone has the tool to discover beauty. Let's embrace this colorful world. Zino 2 can shoot amazing time-lapse videos with one click. Experience the ever-changing world of light and shadow. Create time-lapse works that are undetectable to the naked eye. Zino 2 uses Sony 1 out of 2.3-inch image sensor, endowing an outstanding capability to capture light and shadow. The dual DSP hardcore unit guaranteed the ability to process 4K video data, help you to experience the rich in beauty for city.
Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap.